Construction sites are filled with potential hazards, from falling debris to flying particles. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is your last defense against these dangers. At OSHA Education School, our PPE overview for construction course is designed to help you understand how to select, use, and maintain protective gear to stay safe on the job. Our course begins with the essentials, understanding how employers conduct hazard assessments and establish PPE programs. You'll learn your role in ensuring PPE is worn correctly and maintained properly. Head injuries are no joke. Learn how hard hats absorb shock and protect you from falling objects. Discover the differences between safety glasses, goggles, and face shields, and how to choose the right one based on the task. In this scene, we see the importance of regularly inspecting and maintaining personal protective equipment, or PPE. It's crucial to check for any damage or wear and tear, ensuring that each piece of equipment is in good working condition. Here, a worker carefully inspects their hard hat looking for cracks or dents. Next, they clean their safety goggles, removing any dirt or debris that could impair vision. Regular maintenance of PPE not only extends its lifespan, but also ensures maximum protection on the job site. Remember, safety starts with proper equipment care. Your hands and feet are often the most at risk. This course teaches you how to select gloves that resist cuts, abrasions, and chemicals. You'll also learn about footwear designed to protect against electrical hazards, punctures, and heavy impacts. Protecting your lungs is critical when working around hazardous substances like silica, asbestos, and lead. Learn about respirators, their proper fit, and how to use them to keep harmful particles out of your system. By completing this course, you'll gain the knowledge to prevent injuries, improve workplace safety, and ensure compliance with OSHA regulations. Plus, you'll receive a certificate demonstrating your expertise in PPE for construction. Don't leave your safety to chance. Click the link in the description to enroll now. Complete the PPE overview for construction course and get certified today.